Afternoon. I'm Andy Johnson. I'm the Managing Director of GTT EMEA. GTT is a global network service provider, so we worry about access. So we're in the bandwidth between data centers, from corporate offices to data centers, and importantly, access to cloud service. So we look at the world and say, any application from any location, how do we get there? How do we get that done? Yeah, well, GTT is very interested in this distribution and channel mechanism, mostly because solutions that the enterprise is buying today is made up of many different components. It's not just that I found a friend, I'll buy it from him, or I've just bought a box and there's the answer. So solutions have components, and the network is an essential portion of that solution. So we're looking to engage with the MSPs and the distribution partners to make sure that we can get to the market and that they're able to sell the full value of the solution by including the network as part of their sales process as well. Yeah, so what we're looking to do is to make sure that we can make hybrid cloud a reality. So clearly MSPs are looking to sell hybrid cloud, so that's multiple applications on multiple platforms. So SoftLayer and IBM for us are a key portion of that because they're a significant destination on our network. Not every cloud service provider can put his equipment in every data center around the world. We've done that because we run a network, so we're able to offer direct access to the SoftLayer IBM cloud platforms from multiple data centers around the world. That allows our customers and the MSPs to connect their customers directly into the SoftLayer platform and get a better performance, get an SLA, get a guarantee, and know that the application will actually work. But they don't have to come out of their own home geography to do that. Yeah, so what we're looking at is the network-enabled cloud. So it is very much a cloud network. So we're trying to bring the CSPs, the cloud service providers, into the enterprise WAN, because we're trying to overcome performance characteristics, but we're also trying to make sure that security remains top of the list. Security is a big impediment to people joining the cloud, and a lot of that is to do with the access over the public internet, the great unmanaged mass that's full of all sorts of strange things that we don't want to be in. And putting your own IP across that public network can be very dangerous. So our private network connectivity allows people to overcome those security risks, makes hybrid cloud much more of a reality, makes people much more comfortable with it. So having MSPs include this private network as part of the overall solution makes it much easier for the customer to say yes, and then have a combination of on-premise and public cloud access as part of the same solution. I think connectivity has become more and more important as cloud grows, and clearly we've heard today and over the form of this summit that IBM is going very big into the cloud. So cloud is going to be essential for the enterprise, and if it's essential for the enterprise, then access to those clouds becomes the most important thing. There's no point in buying huge cloud power and saying, oh, fantastic, I've got the awesome cloud. If you can't get to it, it's like running a Formula One racing car down a country lane. Doesn't really work. If we can supply those high bandwidth direct connections into clouds, then these supercars will actually run much, much better.